Now see, the third table is there: weight, area and pressure. Three quantities out of three. Two is given, third one we have to find. So in the first one, area is given 0.04 meter square, pressure 20,000 Newton per meter square. We have to find the weight. So we use the formula pressure equals to weight upon area. Then in the next step we have to just put the values which is given. See, pressure is given 20,000, weight not given, so we write W for weight, and area is given 0.04. It's a denominator. We take it to the left hand side, it will becomes multiplication. So here we got 20,000 multiplied by 0.04 equals to W. Now simply just multiply. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, and 4 twos are 8. See, after the decimal 2 points are there, so count from last and put a decimal. 1, 2, there decimal. So we got weight equals to 800 newtons. So first answer we got 800. This 800 we have to write in the table. 800, this is our answers. Now the second one we have to find the pressure in that. See, first we write the given and then formula. See, the second one, weight is given 1500 Newton, area 500 meter square. We have to find the pressure. That's why I am putting the pressure equals to question mark. Write the formula everyone. Pressure equals to weight upon area. Now put the values. Pressure is not given, weight and area is given. Weight is 1500 upon area is 500. Very simple, just cancel 0 by 0, then 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So we got 3 Newton per meter square. So second answer is 3 Newton per meter square. We write this 3 in the above table. Understood everyone? Now come to the question number 7 and 8. Question number 7 and 8 is slightly same. In 8th one something is more than the 7th one. So 7th one is based on 8th one. So I will do the 8th one, and question number 7 is homework for you. See, in the question 8, the volume of a plastic covered sealed box is 350 centimeter cube and box has mass 500 gram. Will the box float on water or sink in water? Second one, what will be the mass of the water displaced by the box? So let's solve it. First write the given thing. See, the volume of box is 350 centimeter square. So volume is there, no? So it is cube, and mass is 500 gram. We have to find the density. So you all know the formula of density. Density equals to mass upon volume. So write the formula, then substitute the. So formula is mass upon volume, and value is given 500 upon 350. So just cancel 8, 0 by 0. Now 50 upon 35. So it will cut by the. Now it will be cancelled by the 5. 5 sevens are 35 and 5 tens are. Divide this 10 by the 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. 3 is there, put a decimal, so it will becomes 30. 7 fours are 28. 2 carry. If we put the decimal, we can increase the 0. So 27 twos are 14. It will be coming like that. So our answer is 1.42 gram per centimeter cube. See here, in this sum, density of box is greater than the density of water. We know the density of water is 1 gram per centimeter square. If anything, any object, if the object density of object is more than the density of water, then it will be sink. Here also अगर किसी भी चीज़ की डेंसिटी वाटर की डेंसिटी से ज़्यादा होती है तो वो उसमें डूब जाता है. एंड हियर बॉक्स की डेंसिटी 1.42 है और वाटर की डेंसिटी सिर्फ 1 है. सी हियर डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर is 1 ग्राम पर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. वो 1.42 1 से ज़्यादा है, दैट्स वाई दिस बॉक्स विल सिंक इन द वाटर, वो उसमें डूब जाएगा. देयरफॉर बॉक्स इज सिंक इन वाटर. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज सेम एज द 8th one till here. जो 7वां क्वेश्चन है वो इसके जैसा ही है, यहाँ तक ही आपको करना है. That's why question number 7 is a homework for you. So in this one, something is more. Water. What will be the mass of water displaced by the box? This we have to find by using the Archimedes principle. The second last subtopic of this lesson. See, according to the Archimedes principle, here I am writing AP, but you have to write the full spelling. Archimedes principle, spelling of Archimedes and then principle. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, इस फॉर्मूला के हिसाब से मास ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज इक्वल्स टू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. जितना ऑब्जेक्ट का वॉल्यूम होता है उतना ही ऑब्जेक्ट का मास होता है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द मास आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल. सी इन द क्वेश्चन द वॉल्यूम इज गिवन 350 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, सो दैट्स वाई मास ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज ऑल्सो 350 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. सॉरी, नॉट द unit of mass is gram or kilogram. So we got our answer. Therefore mass of box, therefore mass of water displaced by box is 350 grams. Understood? If any doubt is there, you have to ask the question personally or in the group. And you know question number 7 is homework that you have to complete and submit it either in my personal number or in a group.